G'day guys, welcome to another episode of Aussie Home Haunts. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Today's DIY is exploring how to use black packing wrap for various uses. Making a dark, ominous demon is just one of the possible projects. Here I have built a frame from some scrap metal. You don't have to weld for your project. Wood or polypipe might be just as effective. Once happy with your framework, begin padding out. Previous Halloween, I used cardboard structure and this black wrap technique to make some huge ravens, as you can see. Apply heat with a heat gun to make this stuff really stick to itself. It'll shrink down quite well, and while hot, you can kind of assist in shaping it. Keep working around your project until you're happy with it. If you need to, add more layers and apply the same technique again with the heat gun until you get it just right. This demon is going to be perched on my rooftop. So I also have plans for some cool glowing eyes. We'll get to that in a bit. glowing eyes, I purchased some cheap LEDs from eBay. I'm powering them with 5 volts, and after tinkering with resistors and a good array, I decided my final layout. Solder the connections and the wires. For tips on how to calculate the resistors you'll need, search the old Googs for some help. The LEDs need diffusing with something. In the end, I created some eye shapes with melted hot glue. It's transparent but not 100% clear, so it catches the light really well. Mount the LEDs and use more of the wrap technique until you're happy with your project. And that's it for now. We shall see this guy out again at Halloween. Good luck on your project.